Want to know how to use PointsMaxx in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website, and once you're there, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simply select it. So once you have selected your profile here, you should be seeing various options. So if you don't see your profile, you need to log in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So now, once you have logged in successfully, what you need to simply do is select on the top right corner of your profile and just simply open it up. And here you should be seeing PointsMaxx under reviews. So you can just simply select it. And now what PointsMaxx does is you need to just simply select a rewards program. So what it does is it helps you to earn mass or points when making bookings in Agoda. So you can just simply select any one of these available rewards program, and once that is done, you can just simply enter your membership number, select save, and once any bookings regarding those organization is done, you might get a discount or offers. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.